Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud Storage for enhanced security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Cloud Storage section. Choose the appropriate project where you want to set up enhanced security. Click on the Create Bucket button to create a new storage bucket. Enter a unique name for your bucket and select a location. Select the storage class that suits your needs, aiming for the most secure option. Click on Create to finalize the bucket setup. Once the bucket is created, go to the Permissions tab. Review the existing permissions and consider removing any that are unnecessary. Click on the Grant Access button to add specific users or service accounts. Assign the least privilege role to users, such as Storage Object Viewer or Storage Object Admin. Configure bucket policies to enforce specific access controls. Set up Object Access Control Lists, or ACLs, to grant access on an object level when necessary. Enable versioning in the bucket details to keep multiple versions of an object. Navigate to the Lifecycle tab to implement rules for automatic deletion or archiving of outdated data. Enable Object Before Create to restrict overwriting of existing objects. Consider enabling uniform bucket level access for finer control over permissions. Use IAM policies to further tighten access restrictions within the project. Implement audit logs to monitor all actions taken on your storage for compliance purposes. Use the Google Cloud Security Command Center to gain insights on potential security vulnerabilities. Regularly review and update permissions and settings based on your security assessments. Finally, ensure to conduct periodic security audits to stay ahead of any potential threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.